In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix GCache app game not opening. So if you're currently having that exact same problem and you want to be able to fix this well, then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do firstly is to actually just close your GCache app, and instead we're going to go into the settings app on our phone. So now on the settings app, what you're going to do is to just scroll down in here, and then you're going to click where it says general, just click on general, and as you can see, you should now be taken to this page, which is perfect. So on this page, scroll down just a little bit, and then click on storage in here, and then just simply wait for this page to completely load in here. And when it's done, as you can see, we're just going to swipe up like this until we can see the search bar up top. So just click on the search bar, search for GCache, and click on the GCache app. Now click on upload app, and once again, click on upload app in here. Just wait a couple of seconds, and we're just going to click on the blue button here. Once again now, so as you can see, you should now be able to see loading on your GCache app, and that means that it's currently being updated to the absolute latest version, so you need to do this, and when it's done, you're going to go back into the app, and then you're going to try once again. This fixed it for me, so I hope this will be able to fix yours as well.